One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Summarized by ChatGPT. Illustrated by Midjourney.
One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch is a renowned guide to investing that offers valuable insights and advice for anyone looking to achieve financial success. The book details Lynch's approach to investing and how he was able to achieve a 29.2% average annual return for the Magellan Fund at Fidelity Investments, outpacing the S&P 500 by over 13 percentage points. In the book, Lynch emphasizes the importance of taking a long-term view when investing. He believes that by focusing on the fundamentals of a company and its potential for growth, rather than making short-term trades, investors can achieve better results. He also stresses the importance of diversification, and provides guidance on how to create a well-rounded portfolio that can help manage risk. One of the key concepts in the book is Lynch's approach to shopping for stocks. He encourages investors to think about stocks as they would think about products they buy in stores, and to consider the fundamentals of a company, such as earnings and growth potential, before making a decision. He also highlights the importance of story stocks, or companies with compelling stories and the potential for significant growth. Another key takeaway from the book is Lynch's advice to invest in what you know. He believes that investors should focus on the industries and products that they are familiar with, as this knowledge can give them an edge when it comes to making investment decisions. He also emphasizes the importance of doing your own research and not relying solely on the opinions of others. In the book, Lynch shares his personal experiences and lessons learned during his time as a fund manager, providing valuable insights and advice for both novice and experienced investors. He discusses how he identified winning stocks, and highlights the importance of avoiding common mistakes, such as following the crowd or making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Lynch stresses the importance of being disciplined and patient when investing. He believes that by following a systematic approach and avoiding common mistakes, anyone can achieve their financial goals. He also encourages investors to be flexible and open to new ideas, and not to be afraid to change their approach if they are not seeing the desired results. One of the key takeaways from the book is that anyone can be a successful investor, regardless of their background or experience. Lynch believes that by focusing on the fundamentals and following a disciplined approach, anyone can achieve financial success. He also stresses the importance of having a well-thought-out plan and sticking to it, even in volatile or uncertain market conditions. Overall, One Up on Wall Street is a valuable resource for anyone interested in investing and building wealth. The book provides a clear and concise guide to Lynch's approach and philosophy, and offers practical advice and insights that can help anyone achieve success in the stock market. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, this book is a must-read for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future and achieve their financial goals.
Actually, Wall Street thinks just as the Greeks did. The early Greeks used to sit around for days and debate how many teeth a horse has. They thought they could figure it out by just sitting there, instead of checking the horse. Stocks you trade, it's wise you're stuck with. Understand the nature of the companies you own and the specific reasons for holding the stock. It is really going up, doesn't count. Gently hit the like and subscribe button for more summaries.
Thanks for staying till the end.